Let's call upon Nandakishore to say a few points about number system is computer.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandakishore. I am studying 7th class in our Shantiniketan English Medium School. Today my seminar topic is number system. A number system is a set of values used to different quantities. Every number system has a set of digits. The total number is called radix. Types of number system. There are four many types of number system. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. What we use every day. Decimal number system. The base value of decimal number system is 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Binary number system. It is computer. The base value of binary number system is 2. It has 2 digits, 0, 1. Octal number system. Used in computer. The base value of octal number system is 8. It has 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hexadecimal number system. It has computer. The base value of hexadecimal number is 16. 0 to 9 and A to F. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, C is equal to 12, D is equal to 13, E is equal to 14, F is equal to 15. Thank you everyone.
Excellent. Join your hands together for him.